first fall haul of 2024. I'm so excited. Every year I always find such good stuff at H&M, so I always like to start there because they have really good prices, really cute pieces. I also picked up a bunch of different shoes. Something about fall shoes are just way more exciting than any other season. So not to mention, I feel like I found like my perfect bag that was so affordable from H&M. It is so good. So yeah, before we get into all the H&M stuff, I just want to get the shoes out of the way. One of my favorite trends this year is riding boots, so I picked up just a really good black classic pair of riding boots. I feel like we're recycling a few trends from 2010, and I never thought I would be saying I want to go back to that time, but I'm actually really loving it. And I think, I don't know, riding boots just look so classic and timeless. Something about riding boots just gives me like equestrian, kind of old money vibes. Another trend that reminds me of 2010, the flats that I've been loving since spring are kind of moving their way into fall as well. So I just have a really good basic black pair and this cream pair, which I love the details of the ruching. I think that's really flattering on your feet and kind of just make them look more dainty. Also have a little buckle on the side. This pair is from the brand Charles & Keith. I discovered this brand this year and they just have really good affordable shoes and purses. I just feel like a black pair of flats are such a staple that you can easily throw on. And these are from Dolce Vita. And then I have two pairs of more casual shoes. I have a pair of platform Uggs and Birkenstocks. These are just easy to throw on. And these I actually picked up last year. I was trying to see if they came back in stock so I could exchange the size. If you guys are shopping for these, I'm almost always a true size 8. These run really small. I would definitely size up a half size to even a full size. I don't know if it's just because they are like fluffy on the inside, but be aware of that. If you live somewhere hot, I feel like Birkenstocks are kind of the warm weather version of Uggs, so I picked those up. This Ralph Lauren baseball cap just matches both of those shoes so well, and I just love baseball caps in the fall. The more layers and accessories you can add, I feel like the better. The H&M. I am so happy I found the perfect bag for fall. I love the shape of this, but the purple Merlot color just matches everything perfectly. If I'm wearing browns, it matches. If I'm wearing black, it matches. I love this bag so much. I couldn't find it on the website, but if you guys are ever in store, please see if they have this bag. It's perfect. There's a little gold buckle detail, and I like that the strap isn't like too thick. It just looks really nice on your shoulder and holds so much stuff. I cannot say enough good things about this bag. I love it so much. Here is the QR code if any of you guys happen to need it, but this bag was only $40 and it looks like a very expensive designer luxury bag to me. A trend that I'm just loving right now is the shoulder bags with extra long straps. Here's the black one. I really like how this bag pairs with my Uggs and this hat as well. It just matches all those like neutral brown tones. And these were both $14.99. I will be living in skirts and boots all fall, so I realized I have a bunch of pleated skirts, which sometimes make my hips look a little bit wider. So I was really excited when I found these skirts for only $9.99, and they're super flattering. It's just the perfect skirt to wear with sweaters. It's not too short or too long. It's just like the perfect length. It has this fake pocket detail, and the material is actually really soft and good quality. So for $9.99, I was like, I have to pick this up in the gray, the black, and the blue. And tell me why I'm loving navy blue right now. So I'm excited to style this skirt with this navy blue sweater that I have. But yeah, this was one of my favorite finds by far. They had so many good jackets right now. I'll put the other ones I was looking at on my SHOPMY in case you guys want some other vibes. But I picked up this suede brown jacket. Suede is all over Pinterest and TikTok right now, and I picked this one up in an extra large. It was $60. I really like how the wrist area is a little bit wider. It just looks a lot more expensive that way to me. I recently just wore this with a little black skirt and boots, and it's just an easy jacket to throw on. If you don't like to do that much with your outfits in the fall, I feel like just keeping a lot of really cute jackets is an easy way to make your outfit look a lot more intentional. Back when I was working at an eye doctor, every day that I'd go to work, I would just wear my black pants, a black shirt, and a new coat every day. Everyone called me the coat girl, so if you're kind of lazy with fashion, just pick up cute jackets. H&M always does an end of summer sale, and they have really good button-down shirts. I always get them in a large or extra large, but this one was on sale for $12.99, and I live in Arizona, so I wanted just like a breathable linen button-down. This will be really cute with like baggy pants, leggings, I don't know, layered with like a sweater. I love button-downs. There's so many ways to wear them. I'm not big on like the leopard and cheetah print trend, but I thought that these are kind of like neutral enough and a fun way to dress up an outfit, and these were only like $17.99, so I don't know, I just thought for less than $20 it was a good way to test out like a more neutral vibe of the cheetah trend. I feel like the only thing I really don't like is the like leopard print jeans, but I don't know, I just thought these were too cute to not give a try. So picked up this burgundy hat that says New York 1996. I love this color, especially if I have any other red or like cherry burgundy accessories. I don't know, something about a baseball cap with a sweater or a big jacket in the fall makes me so happy. So that is everything I picked up for my first round of fall shopping. I've also been having a lot of fun like making lists on my SHOPMY of my carts. So I have Zara, H&M, and then like a random little like bunch of different stores. So if you want to look at that, I will link that down below, and yeah, I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Mwah.